Mpumelelo surprises Tirelo with a surprise visit. And listen, it is giving Mayeni and Musa type of vibes. It is giving your Bonnie and Clyde type of vibes, you guys. The scene was so cute. And listen, if you did not fall in love with Tirelo and Mpumelela's relationship after this episode, please check your heart. Please check your heart, because the producers of the show even tried to help you by playing soft romantic music by that scene, just to help you guys, to fall in love with this couple. Oh guys, so Mpumelelo decides to drive all the way from Angazi, from Jozi, or from KZN, drives all the way to Rustenburg to go and see his woman, his baby mama. So he surprises Tirelo, drives all the way to Rustenburg. When he gets there, when he gets to her neighborhood, decides to video call her and is like, listen, my babe, come out, baby. And then she's like, are you lying, Wena? And he's like, I'm around the corner, like, come out. You know those Njolo type of vibes, guys, where you guys are meeting in the corner, those exciting type of things. You know what, guys? These two people have a child together, and I think a child can really shift a relationship and change the dynamics of a relationship. So to see them still be in their element, even after there's a child involved, to see them being able to jola with one another, to see them to be able to date one another, guys, that is a beautiful thing, and I think it's an impressionable thing, and I think like it's something we should commend between them. Between them, considering actually that already they in a tight situation with Izingane Zesthembu. Anyway, Tirelo comes out. You can see on her face, she is beaming. She is so happy to see her man. Ashamed she couldn't remember herself. She couldn't hold herself. She was genuinely happy to see her man. Like, she's all smiles. When she gets there, he's playing with her and he's like, yes, do that, hey, my chubby girl. And she laughs at it as well. They hug one another. Guys, it was so cute. I don't want to lie. I don't want to lie, guys. It was so cute. And then there he is, like, asking, like, where's his son? And Trilla's like, hey, bo, how are you asking me about where's your son? Estraten, ekoneni, boy. Like, imagine. Then anyway, she goes back to the house, goes and take the child. When she brings back the child, guys, it was just so cute of how even ulokuzana like the child usingaba, cause reacting there to Mpumelelo, like it was such a beautiful scene, you guys. And you could see like Tirelo and Mpumelelo, they seem to be at a good place in their lives or in their relationship. And I must say that there are things that Tirelo does address when they do eventually go to the restaurant to eat. There are things that Tirelo does get to address, but even in the fact that there's certain things that Mpumelelo has not fulfilled to her, she is still happy. Ukel still looks like she's very much happy. So guys, Koshwani, Agayinda, wo. She's not going anywhere anytime soon, at least from this episode, at least from what I've seen. And then Tirelo throws a bombshell, you guys. She throws a bombshell in her diary session, and she's like, there's nothing that Mpumelelo does not tell me. And I'm like, okay, go, okay, letting us know of your position in this man's life. Maybe she was saying it innocently, but I know for sure that she knew. Or maybe she was putting a stamp on it to say that you guys think that Vyogazi is number one and Vyogazi is the it girl in this relationship. But let me let you guys in. I am the one who knows everything. I am not the side chick or just like on the side as some of you guys treat me or think me to be. No, I actually know everything that's running in this temple. I'm the one who knows everything here. So maybe she was putting a stamp on that. You know what, guys? You guys need to give me more credit. I have a lot more hold and weight in this relationship or in this polygamy than you guys actually think. you know? And maybe she did say it innocently, but I know that she knows that it was going to be received somehow by many people. And by many people, I am including Uvuyokazi. So I'm asking myself, okay, Mega City, when Kel is saying that there's nothing that Mpumelelo tells her, I'm like, ma'am, did you know about the demotion or the demoting of Uvuyokazi to position number 2? Are you trying to say you knew about this whole shenanigans? And that time, mind you, Uvuyokazi was surprised about everything. She was shocked. She was shocked to a point that she even called her a meeting for the parents to meet. That's how shocked she was. And then Tirelo comes here and says, nah, there's nothing this guy doesn't tell me. So I'm just now wondering, Kyle, so did you know about all of this? And is that the reason why you were laughing so much at Uvuyokazi? Because Vuyokazi was acting ngathi she's number one, ngathi she's the only girl. Kanti wena, you knew that there is a virgin that's coming that's possibly going to be taken as wife number 1. You like Tirelo. But anyway, you guys, tell me what you think about this episode. I think the scene was super cute. Guys, open up your hearts, please, because Tirelo doesn't look like she's going anywhere. It doesn't look like she has any intentions of leaving her man. But anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.